Hi YouTube, today is September the 2nd, it's 2019, and I'm coming to you with this short video. I haven't made videos in a while, and I made a few over the past couple of days. I don't even know if I'm going to put them up, but I'm making this one too. I don't know if I'm going to put this one up because I purchased something yesterday from the King of Prussia Mall. That's the local mall here close to where I live. It's King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, and this is what I got. I got me some MCM. So I'm gonna just do a unboxing. This one, the girl don't know how to wrap packages. That thing just came right off. Put that right there. But this is how the box looks. This is how the box looks. This is how the other one looks. Okay, this is how the other one looked. The girl didn't know how to wrap boxes. It's like all loose and stuff. But she tried. But let's just take it off. I have to say something about my battery. So I guess I have to plug this thing. It's telling me something about my battery. Okay. Here it is. Alright. Yeah, so this is the box. I got two boxes. One box is a little bit bigger than this one. So I'll open the smaller one first. This is it. And that's how it looks. This is how it comes, like this. I mean, everything just looks so much like Louis Vuitton. But this is what I got. I got a wallet. Isn't that pretty? It has a little MCM little hang chain, and this is removable. You can take that off, and it's just one of these wallets that just opens out like that. And here's your part for your bills, right in there. And then it has space for your credit cards. You have that space right there and there, and then you have two right there, or really three, because you have the space right here too. And then you have 1, 2 up here, and if you put bills in here, you can still stick another credit card. And then here's 1, 2, 3. And then here's the zipper part right here. You can put your change or receipts and stuff. Okay. So this is what I got. That's one. And then here's the other one. Oh, and you also get this little thing, you know, with the card info and all that kind of stuff like that. This, and special care, and, you know, the care cards and all that kind of stuff. So that's what you get. Cute little black envelope. And then I also got this right here. Here's the second box, and it has the same little dust thing. And then I got this right here, which is a lanyard, and it's also can double as a small wallet. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces for cards right here, and then you have the big zipper part right here, which opens out like that. And then here's the lanyard right here. This can go around your neck, or you can take this off and then just put it in your purse as a small, oh, I pulled off the little thing. That's good. A small wallet. How cute is that? Isn't that pretty? This is the original monogram. So I got it, and I went to the MCM store, and here's the lanyard part right here that you put around your neck. And let's see, This one right here is what I really, really wanted. Because later on, I think I'd like to get a purse. Get it in. Here it is. So this is how the little pull tab looks. That's how it looks, like that. As you can see, this is like all leather. It smells so good. And it has the MCM initials. And the reason why I got interested in this is because I shop on, what's that thing called, Zulu sometimes. I buy things off of there every now and then, clothes and stuff. And I always look at their shoes, and sometimes they have designer things. I didn't know that they had designer stuff until they had some stuff for Prada and MCM. I was never even interested in MCM, and I'd never even looked at anything MCM. And then I saw it on Zulily, Zulily. Can't even speak right. I'm so happy I got this. But on Zulily, and I said, all right, well, let me look at the Prada, and then I'll see what this MCM thing is. So I looked at the Prada. I didn't like anything by the Prada. And then when I started looking at the MCM, I'm like, oh, this is hot. And you don't see a lot of people with MCM. You know, you see people with a lot of Louis Vuitton and Gucci and all of those things. But you don't see a lot of people with MCM. I think I only seen the girl Black China. I think I saw her with something by MCM, and maybe one of the Kardashians had MCM, but you don't really see that in Hollywood. You don't see it, you know, because this is kind of, even though it is high end, it's the low end of high end, because their stuff is like maybe a half or a third of what like Vuitton or Chanel or any of those really high brands cost. This is more affordable, okay? So this is what I got. So let me take off these little plastic pieces, then you can see these little letters. And then they had this wallet comes in like three colors. It comes in like that yellow. I guess it's sort of to mimic this yellow, but it's like a bright yellow. I didn't like that. And then it has the gold MCMs on there. This would be gold. And I asked the girl, you know, why they didn't have this kind of wallet in this monogram thing. And she said, well, they are trying out some new stuff. So I said, all right, well, let me be one of the first to get the new stuff. So this is my little wallet that I got. So let's see if I can take this off. So you can see just how cute these initials are. And by the way, that's the initials for my last name. So it was like a no-brainer, you know. It didn't take me long to make up my mind to decide that, okay, well, instead of spending so much money on Louis Vuitton, and I have a lot of Louis Vuitton purses already, a lot of the real ones, and I even have some replicas, like mostly in wallets and stuff. I'll buy like the replica wallets. And as a matter of fact, I think I did a video, so maybe I'll put all of them up at the same time, maybe. But I have enough Louis Vuitton. I don't have enough, but for now, I can like branch off and maybe get something else. And this is so much more affordable than the Louis Vuitton. Put this up here. This is more affordable. Okay, so everything is off, and you can see how nice the MCM letters look. You get a one big M, then a smaller C, and the smallest M. I think that's so cute. And this comes off, so if you buy a purse, you can take this off and you can hook it onto a purse. And when I saw this, because I was looking on eBay to see what they had on there, and I kept, you know, scoping out eBay, but I really didn't see too much that I like. I did bid on one thing, but I didn't get that. Somebody else got that. It was really nice. It was a black leather purse. So, but this is what I got. So this is what I'm coming to you with today, just to show you these two things that I got from the MCM store. And I think they're like so nice, and you don't see a lot of people with them. And this is perfect because, like, if you take the bus or something like that, you know, you can just put your little bus thing in here and hanging around your neck. Because I have one by Coach and I love that. See, there's the MCM on there. You can see that. And let's see, do they have any identifiable stuff on the inside? Only this little MCM little thing that says MCM. That's it. That's what they have here on the inside. Because they have the purses that have that emblem, you know, the square emblem, like what's on this bag. That have that square emblem. The purses, like the bigger purses, have that, but I guess these are so small that they wouldn't have space. They could have put it right here if they wanted to, but and, you know, made it smaller. But I guess they don't want to do that. They could save money this way and just give you just that stamped on it like that. But I just love these two things. So that is my little short video. It's 2 MCM purchases that I just made. I just bought these yesterday. So if you're interested, go on and go get yourself some MCM because not everybody has the MCM. I don't see it that much. When I went to the mall yesterday, there were a few people, just like 1 or 2 people in the store shopping, and it was just like a few people at the mall itself that I saw that had MCM. I'm just putting everything back up again. I just love this wallet. I can't wait to wear this. So you're not going to see that many people when you wear MCM. Not too many people is going to have it because not too many people buy it. So I had never even really seen it. You know, when a lot of people where I would even question, like, what is that they're wearing? Let me look that up. It's just because I shop on Zulily. And I saw it on Zulily, and I happened to look, and I said, well, this is a no-brainer because this is the initials of my last name. So why not? It's like, why not go ahead on and get it? So I did it. But anyway, that's all I got for you for today in this video. And hopefully I'll make another one and come back and see you again. And to my subscribers, hi. I've been away from YouTube. Like I said in my other videos, YouTube has changed so much, and you know, they don't give the little guy no play and stuff like that. And I don't really bother with it now. They put so many ads on all the videos. When I'm watching videos now, they force you to watch these ads. If you try to click off of them, your thing will just go off. Like you'll have to, you know, go back into YouTube again. So it's like, I don't know what they're up to and what they're doing. But anyway, that's it for today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to, subscribe. I don't put videos up anymore like I used to. The last time I put one up was like maybe over a year ago. And I think that was my France trip. And since then, I've gone back to France again. And I've got lots of footage, but I haven't made a video, and I didn't even want to put it up here because it's just too much trouble to edit these videos and stuff, and then to have them chop it up and stuff. And your video goes off, you're watching the video, and it has like 20 ads throughout the whole video. These are the ones that are on there where they make a living off of YouTube. I don't make a living off of YouTube. So it doesn't matter to me that there's no ads into my video. That's a good thing. Okay, but anyway, as I always say in closing, God bless you, and I love you, and I hope to see you back again into my next video. So come back and join me at my next video. Bye.